Welcome to PFTV. 3-0 into Orlando Pirates. Ke na le tshabo to analyze the game. Thibo Grand.
Tšago jwang Porwaga?
Mnate. Ya ke imitsi ya today we bone jwang?
Ne le game mnate Porwaga. Yeah, it was an exhibition. Ne re shebile Pirates etsa ntho tsa yona. There was only one team on the field today. Marumo Kalantsi ne tlile nje to in fact ne wa tlo shebela rona re dlala ball. But I respect the coach how he rotates his players, how he enjoys football. O kenya ntwana tsa hae tse a di fang game time. It means what he understands ntwana tsa hae and he knows what he wants from his team and he knows what he's doing.
And then today we saw an interesting change. We saw Mbata wasn't on the lineup. Masindi Nomtachela came in for him. Do you think we're going into Sundowns? He's still gonna keep that relationship? Yeah, Keteni Makaula, Nomtachela.
I think we will dlala ka Mbatha le Makau because out dlala le game ya game e tshwanang le Sundowns le game e tshwanang le Marumo Gallants. It's not the same temperament. You understand? So on that day it will be the umpire rona tlamele because remember tlo dlala ka di wings. So our CDMs must be on point because if at all Sundowns wa itseba mfethu lo ne mnati, you can't take anything away from them and bana le good football players. So Katlin Makaula and Talent Mbata, they give you that stability in the middle of the park. Etlo etsang Ntwane Mofokeng a kgone ho etsa free role a etsang yena le ntwena le Apolis.
And then we saw coach Pagania supping Tito Maswangani, and most of the supporters thought Tito Maswangani was in the game. What do you think was the rationale behind that substitution?
I think maybe a technical decision. Ka thola re ba tlo qala ka ena ka Wednesday and then has to be match fit because remember Tito this season also qali game ka 100%. Ba ntse ba mo kenya ka second half or ba mo kenya ka first half. So it might be hore coach is saving him for Wednesday so that re khona re bontsha and won ka re ba le ba mraya. So maybe they just been careful ka ena hore a ska fetsa game so that Wednesday a fitla ali fit. That's what I think.
Your man of the match today, Pagania.
Spanish football, President Yama 2000, Ramaphosa. There's no other one. That boy is a marvel to watch, Bafut. Our team is actually a marvel to watch. You know, Orlando Pirates players, Bafut, badlala polongolori. Aina ka qalo e bona. In since ke tseba disc. Those boys badlala disceng when ke batla ba khothatsa right, they must keep on entertaining us. Wa bona tletse jwang in fact. Ba tlo sheba ball. The opposition tsa rona. Wa bona ka be Sundowns sa dlala. Ka be le bona ba lemo batho ba tlo shebela ball. So ai Orlando Pirates uthaka la ba kenya mang ba ntsamang wa tshwana. Still free flowing. And the coach ena wa e bona le assistants are high. They know what they're doing. They know how to motivate the players. They know how to push them to do what they need to do on the soccer field.
Yeah. Final question, Pagania score prediction for Wednesday, Orlando Pirates versus Sundowns.
3 Orlando Pirates, 1 Mamelodi Sundowns.
One.
At least I could have nothing. Yeah, I could have win the plus fund so the tails are going to be up because Bashapile, one of the best coaches in South Africa. And Rulane Bamsugela, Rulane will never steal any information from any board. Rulane himself information. That board's a ball. How come to Saka 3 Muteka starting lineup or Skadala Janga something that somebody will need to open the computer. So Rulane Fetiki pause. So I unfortunate for him, sometimes quickly win but he's gonna come back because Rulane is a coach. He's a very intelligent coach. But because at least their tails are gonna be up because they won. Ke batla utla commentary ya bona kwa ka re di weng o di reng a ke rentse ba re khadusa tsamaye le family back so kwa tlo utla gore ba tlo reng because ke be ba qualify for the last stages.
And then if we beat them, Pagania, it's 9 points clear. Do you think it's done?
No, you can't say that because remember there will still be about how many games left? About 16 games or 14 games left.
Yeah.
So in that time, anything can happen. So Rona, we must just take each game as it comes and make sure fella Rona win. The important games that we must win, we win. And this one is personally. Le ele ya Derby ya 28 le ba le ka di 28 ka re ba remitsi ba rasa ba tlo dlala no tla bona re ba dlala jwang but we have to just take each game as it comes wa tseba mfuti jwang
one game at a time.
Yeah,
No,
one game at a time.
no thanks Tatibo Bopa. Wow.